Meaning of downtime.
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 Downtime. Downtime refers to a period of time during which a system, machine or service is unavailable or not operational. This can occur due to a variety of reasons, such as maintenance, repairs, upgrades or technical issues. The result of downtime can be significant, causing disruptions to business operations, lost productivity and revenue, dissatisfied customers, and damage to reputation. To mitigate the negative impact of downtime, organizations often implement strategies such as redundancy, backup systems, and contingency planning to ensure continuity of service.